Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create split touch animation. Okay, let's get into the video. First, create a new composition. I name it main, just main compose. For preset resolution I choose HDTV here, yep, and width 1920 and high 1080. For frame rate I set it 30 frame rate. Okay, duration 10 seconds. Now click OK. Let's create a new solid. Name it blind. Yes. Okay. Blinds. And choose any color you want to blind background. Okay. Click OK. And click OK. Go to Effect and Preset. And yes, search for Veneten, something like that. Okay, Veneten. Okay, Veneten blinds. Okay, now click on the stopwatch and transition completion. I set only 18. For direction I set 45. Okay, and weight I set 24. No, only 10. Yeah, something like that. Now if we look more closer and we enable here, okay, it's transparent background. Now I create another solid and set the color more deep blue color, something like that. Okay, and name it BG. Now click OK. Okay, now I love that background. Okay, you can choose any background color you want. Okay, now start to type anything. For example, I split. For font size I set maybe 200. Yes, it's enough. And align it to the center. Yep. Now animal title action save. Yep. Move a little bit here. Okay. Now create another text. For create another text, you can select on the text and go to edit and select duplicate or Ctrl D. Now we have any other text. Okay, I move it here a little bit. Yeah, maybe something like that, and I tap the other, yeah, like free tutorial. Okay, for font size I set only around just 25. Okay, 125. Okay, it's good for me. Now select both text and create pre-compose. Name it text. Move all attributes. Okay, that's good. Create another solid. For color, choose black color and name is mate. Maybe mate 1. Yes, something like that. And okay. Yes, move anchor point to the left side. So select anchor point here. Yep, and then that. Yep, something like that. Okay, just around here. Yes, for more easy to look. And then move here to the center. Yep. Okay, it's good for me. And now select on the text and set track matte. If you don't see the track matte, you can select here. Okay, you can find here. Now I set alpha matte. Now we made hide the left side and show the right side. Select both text and matte and go to edit and duplicate or Control D. Name it to matte 2. Matte 2. Okay. Now select on the text and set alpha inverted. Now, yes, for this inverted, the matte hide the right side to show the left side. Okay, so the text below. Now go move timeline to around 115, something like that. Okay, something like that. You can choose any length in your composition. For me, I choose just 1 and 15. And select both text layer and press P. And click on the stopwatch to create keyframe. Okay, and now go to the 0. Yes. And click only and set only the text 1 to something like that. Yep, it's good look to me for here. Okay, it's good. Now select all the keyframes. Yes, and set easy is press F9 and go to graph editor. Yes, select all keyframe. Click all graphs. Set the alt. Set graph editor like that. Make sure you select edit speed graph. Yeah. Okay, it's good to me. Yep, that is finished for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel to get more tutorials. Thank you.